Hey everyone, my name is Christopher Photos. I've been programming for about 1.5 years, and building complex, creative, and engaging user interfaces is my passion, and I came to BrainStation to turn that passion into a career. For my capstone project, I used React and Tone.js to build a lightweight but powerful browser-based beat sequencer. And if you don't know what a beat sequencer is, that's fine. I'm going to make it abundantly clear through the course of my demo. I'm just going to move this up here. And the first thing that I'm going to do is add an instrument here. We're going to go for the female vocal sample. And what we're going to get is this grid with this white column stepping through it. And if you've never used a sequencer before, this is probably still a complete mystery to you. But what's going to happen is that when we place a note, it's going to play when that white column comes around and hits it. So I'm just going to build out an entire track here in BitBeat so that you can see how it works. So we've got a melody, and now we can take advantage of the effects that I've built into the app. We're going to use some reverb because no vocal track is complete without some reverb. We're also going to use some vibrato, and you can see that every effect here is fully customizable. And I think our track is sounding good, but it needs a little bass. So let's jump in here to our library of about 20 instruments. Let's grab a cello, put it on the first octave. We're going to keep it in the key of C major to go with our vocal sample, and I'm just going to start placing some notes for a bass line. I'm going to creep the volume back a little bit because we're going to take advantage of those effects again. This time we're going to use some distortion, and that's going to take the volume up a little bit. So let's just creep this back up and make sure we're not blowing any speakers. And let's throw some vibrato on there. Okay, and no track is complete without some cool drums. So let's jump over here to our selection of drum kits. Let's pull one out, add it to our track, and start placing our drums. And of course, I'm going to throw some hi-hats on there. And you can see that in the course of less than 3 minutes, we've gone from nothing to a pretty cool beat. So I'm just going to let that play out for a couple seconds so you guys can actually hear what I've created. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is my capstone. It is called BitBeat. My name is Christopher Photos on GitHub and LinkedIn. The last name is spelled F-O-T-O-S. Feel free to drop me a line. Thanks for watching.